Connecting your email inbox to tawk.to takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, mail sent to that address arrives in your inbox as a conversation, and your replies go out from your own address. Before you start, have your email address and password ready, and make sure you have permission to manage channels for your property. Most importantly, if your account uses two-factor authentication, you'll need an app password, not your normal one. Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and iCloud all require this, and a normal password will simply fail. Generate a dedicated app password just for tawk.to so you can revoke it later without affecting anything else. Our Help Center has a guide on creating one for your provider. To connect, go to Administration, then Integrations, then Messaging, and choose Other Email Provider. The setup runs through 5 quick steps. First, enter the email address you want to connect. For common providers, the server settings fill in automatically from here. Next is incoming mail. Confirm the IMAP server address and port shown, or enter them if your provider wasn't recognized. Then sign in using your password or your app password if your account has two-factor authentication. Next is the outgoing mail settings. Confirm the SMTP server and port, just as you did for incoming. And finally, set up the inbox itself. Give it a name your team will recognize, like support or billing, and choose who can see it. Private, all members, departments, or selected members. You can change this anytime, and every inbox has an owner, which can be transferred later. This is also where you set your sync duration, which controls how far back tawk.to imports the mailbox's existing mail into your inbox. Choose the period that suits how much history your team needs. Anything older stays in your mailbox but won't be brought in. Both connections are tested before setup completes, and if either fails, you'll see which one and why. The most common message is incorrect email or password, which almost always means you need an app password. For anything else, check the server address and port for whichever side failed, as many providers use different ports for incoming and outgoing. If you're connecting Gmail or Outlook, you can easily get these mailboxes set up today using an app password. Signing in directly with your Google or Microsoft account is coming later as separate channels. Each address connects once, so a second address gets its own inbox. To be clear, this isn't email forwarding, which remains a separate ticketing feature. Connecting here brings the mailbox itself into tawk.to. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.